Hi guys, and welcome back to episode number 3 of getting the Escort ready for painting underneath. The other night we came in and we gave all the underneath a good scrub down and got it all prepared and ready. And tonight me and Jay have got a couple of small fiberglass repairs just to do under the arches. And then we're going to etch primer the whole underneath of the car. So stay tuned. Hopefully the GoPro's not going to mess up this time. We're going to have plenty of clips of us actually doing work on the car. So I'm going to whack a time lapse up of us now. Just we've got one little panel left just to get rid of the sealer off, and then I'm going to start fiberglassing. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you guys in a minute. Me and Jay have come to the conclusion that the old stuff that was underneath the car was terrible to take off. The best way we found worked was either with a blowtorch or a heat gun. Just heat it up and scrape it away. So that's a little tip for anybody who is planning on doing this with their car. It does take a lot more time than I thought it was going to. The sections that I thought that I'd done, there's little parts that I'd missed, which were like up here, the bits that you don't really see up here. It's not really lit up, but we've got rid of all the sealer away from there now. So next plan is to mix some fiberglass, sorry, and we're going to whack it up. There's a very small bead that I want to put across the top here, and then we should be good to etch primer the whole underneath of the car. So the plan is I'm going to etch primer the underneath of the car, and then on Monday night hopefully I'm going to come in and I've bought some sealer and brush on sealer, and I'll go over all the seams on the shell then, and then hopefully, fingers crossed, that'll be ready for the painter to come and do it, and then we're one step closer. So thanks for watching, stay tuned, see you guys in a minute. So we've made a mix of fiberglass now, and Jay's going to help me along with this. Now I'm going to try and bring Jay along with me as much as I can to do the builds on the cars. So I'm going to put this on time lapse now while he's going to help me fit this little piece of fiberglass on the bottom of the car, and we'll tune in at the end to say a few words before we get painting on the underneath. Cheers guys. So, welcome back. We've now fiberglassed the little pieces that we wanted to, which was just inside the inner arches. So obviously where the panel is to meet the arch, there's just a small gap. So I've just run a very thin layer of fiberglass round. Possibly able to see it on that side. So it's just to cover that little hole in between. So now me and Jay are gonna attack the bare metal bits with a bit of etch primer. So stay tuned, Jay. We can see how you can spray now.
Aww, yay!
Right, I'll see you guys in a minute.